Hi everyone, my name is Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'm doing an unboxing. It's for an LL Bean item, as you can see in the title. But I kind of want to give you a backstory. So I want to say last November, I'll link it in the cards, I bought the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. Let me show you the bag. So this is what I bought, and I love it. This is one of my favorite totes I've ever had. I know it's basic, and a lot of people give a lot of crap about this bag, but I love it, so that's all that matters. Anyways, so when I was shopping for that bag, I was debating on getting the MM size and the GM size. This size is perfect for everyday use. I feel like it works great. Right here is the size measurements of the Louis Vuitton MM, the bag I just showed. And then let me show you the GM measurements. So I wanted a bigger bag, right? But the Louis Vuitton GM does cost a lot more. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to spend an extra, grand at the time, because the bag went up in price, on the bag, the GM bag, when I just bought the MM size. And I didn't want to return the MM size because I really like it. So I was just debating on what I wanted to do. So I decided to wait. And if I really regretted my decision of buying the MM size, I was going to go ahead and get it. Well, as you can see in my previous video, I'll link that right here, I got the Pochette Métis and I absolutely love it, and I'm really happy I didn't buy another tote bag in the Neverfull, because I just felt like I could find a bigger bag for a cheaper price, and I did. And I was browsing around TikTok, and I saw a bunch of LL Bean tote bags. It's like the boat tote or something like that. And I love how it came in different sizes. So there's a small, medium, large, extra large. I got the large size. It took me a long time to figure out what type of saying I wanted on the bag versus what size I wanted. So let me post right here the size of the large of the LL Bean. Now, what I like about this size is that it's in between the MM and the GM, or maybe it's slightly bigger. I can't remember, but let's just say it's a little bit bigger than the MM, but I'm not sure. It's in the middle, and that's what I like about it. So let me show you. Actually, I think this measurement is bigger than the GM. Yeah, that's right. This size is bigger than the GM. So, and I only paid, I want to say $52 for it. So I'm pretty happy. I've read the reviews on this tote bag, and people say that this tote bag, it works beautifully. The material's great. It lasts forever. It's meant to be outside because LL Bean is an outdoorsy company, and it's meant to take on the hurdles of being outside. So this is what it looks packaged up. Now let's just open it. Oh, so this is the bag. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, and the saying, I just put full of it. I really like it because I plan on stuffing this full, especially for when I travel. So this one, I bought it because they had an option that you could have a zipper. And I really like that, especially if I'm traveling. I don't have to worry about sneaky hands. I can just zip it up if I want to. Oh, it's called the Boat and Tote. That's what it's called. I absolutely love it. So the back, there's nothing on it. The front says full of it. Now, I did get the long straps. when you go online and you make the purchase, it asks you if you want regular straps or if you want long straps, and then it also asks you if you want the zipper or if you don't want the zipper. And I like how LL Bean has that customization, because not everybody wants a long strap and not everybody wants a zipper. So I like how they have different color options and you can really pick it. Let me show you. This is what the inside looks like. It's just like a blank canvas. There's no pockets or anything like that. But like anything else, you can just get an extra large organizer. So the organizer I'm going to get for this, I think I'm going to use one that's meant for like the Neverfull GM. It might be a tad small, but that's okay. But I am going to get an organizer for this because I feel like an organizer is needed. Very much so needed. But no, look at this. So look at all the detailing. So I was watching a video and someone was saying that the straps go all the way down and they wrap around. So even when you stuff this full, you don't have to worry about the straps falling off because they go underneath the bag as well. Let me go ahead and try this on for you so you can see what it looks like on me. I am 4'10", 120 pounds. So let me try this on for you for size. And then you can see, if you're petite, it's great because you get to see if this is something for you. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you what it looks like with my Neverfull on me and also with this LL Bean bag. So you know what it looks like. Like I said, I'm 4'10", so this is what this bag looks like on me. Fairly big. I love it though. So this is the MM size. Now, here is this tote bag. Look how big and wide it is. And I really love the bottom too. This is like a really thick material and I love it. Okay, now unpack my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And I'm going to show you everything I put in there for my travels. And then I'm going to pack it in my LL Bean bag and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, let me show you what I got in here. I have this little pouch, Lysol wipes, airborne, and a reusable straw. I have a Sojo cup and it's reusable. Inside, I love it because I store my straws in there. Perfect for travel, especially if you have cold or hot drinks. I absolutely love it. I always bring my dust bag with me when I travel, especially when I put it under the seat, because if I have someone next to me and they spill their drink or something happens, I know my bag is protected. I want to make sure it looks good. All right, I have my Coach bracelet in here. I just keep receipts. I keep all of my receipts for the week. When the week's done, I shred them and I throw them away. All right, in here, I just have my little bag of things. I have sunscreen, headache balm, Tums, reusable charger, toiletry stuff, claw clip, the basics. And I love this pouch because it does have a zipper. So, and as you can tell, the Louis Vuitton does not have a zipper. So that's mainly why I got this. Plus, it's really lightweight. So really happy about that. I have a fan and it also doubles as a charger. Earbuds, because I fly Delta and they're Bluetooth. If you have Bluetooth headphones, it doesn't work on the plane. You have to use the corded ones. And then, as always, I have my earbuds case, and then I have the little pochette it came in, and then I also have a base shaper on the bottom, just to make sure the bottom keeps its form. Now, let me put everything I just unpacked and put it in here. So here's this, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. So I have my little pouch, dust bag, but let's just say this is like a baby blanket or something, just in case you have kiddos. This, I have this, that, this, and this. Now, one thing that I don't have, that I did pack with me, was a belt bag, like a Lululemon one, and I had that across me, going through security and also just out and about, and I had my keys, my wallet, everything like that on me. And then when I didn't want to wear it, I just put it in my Neverfull, or when I travel, I'll just put it in this. But let me change the camera around so then you can see what it looks like inside the bag. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the inside looks like. So you see I have my main organizer, I have my pouch, my dust bag, but you know, you could definitely use a blanket, a scarf, whatever you need. My compact thermos, earbuds, and everything down here. And I still have so much room, not only on the bottom, like right here, but also on the sides. Like I could pack this full, and look, like you could even put this up and zip it, and you would still have so much room. Like, let's pretend this is zipped up. Like, look at all that room that theoretically you would have. And I only paid $52 for this, guys. This is a size medium. Like I said, it's a size medium, $52. They have different colorways, and they have different fonts and different colors of this as well. I might spray some Scotch Guard on this, but no, I am really happy. I feel like this is a good investment for a tote bag. Okay, so I absolutely love that bag. It fits me perfectly. It's a little big, but for those days when I'm traveling, or you could even use it for groceries, days at the beach, if you're going into the city, like there's so many ways you could use a big tote bag. This is the size large, so if you get the extra large, it's gonna be even bigger. You can hold more stuff. And like I said, they have different colors, different fonts. You can put different sayings on it. You can get regular straps or longer straps. You can get a zipper, or if you don't want a zipper, you can opt out of a zipper. And it all costs the same. I know that if you don't want to monogram it, that's okay. A monogram is like, I think, $8 more. So I feel like that's a good investment. And you get a good quality bag. I know I've heard of people say that they've had bags like this for like 10 years. And I know that the LL Bean has competitors for this bag that are much cheaper, but of all the reviews that I've read, the cheaper bags, they wear out faster, and the threading and everything like that. So I feel like $50 for a really good tote bag is actually a good deal. That's just my opinion. Louis Vuitton GM. I feel like this is going to fill my void for getting that bag. I don't know. If I still really want it, maybe I'll get it. But I feel like this bag will do the job perfectly. And like I said, I really like that it has the zipper at the top, because if I am traveling or no matter where I'm going, I like having that extra security. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos, let me know. I'm open to requests. Thank you. Bye.